Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python in macOS. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. Currently you can see I am inside macOS. About this Mac you can see. So I'll go here at first for the XAMPP. Okay, I'll type it on the browser and I will go for the apachefriends.org, this link. From here you can actually download any of the operating system version you can see, but we will actually download it for the Mac. So we are going to go for the download here in the top. You can see in the menu bar we have a download, and we'll scroll a little bit down and go for this Mac section. Okay, from here we are going to go with the 8.2.4, the latest one. Okay, so we'll click here download and it will actually start downloading within short time. Okay guys, here you can see we have successfully downloaded this. So let's go here and we are going to double click on this. Okay, this .dmg file. You can see XAMPP OS X 8.2.4. okay, the installer. So we have double click on this. Now if I show you, you can see we have here the installer. So we are going to click here. Okay, double click here and we're going to say done. So you can see XAMPP installer not opened because we have to actually go for the settings. So let's go for the settings at first. We'll go for the settings here. Then we'll scroll a little bit down. Okay. And then privacy and security. Okay. And here we'll actually go at the very bottom. And then in the security section we have was locked to protect your Mac. So we'll say open anyway. Okay. This is a third-party tool, so it will actually, it need permission. So we'll give here permission. Just give the macOS password, and here you go. Now we just have to give the password. That's it. All right, guys, you can see we have here installer. Now it will work. And here we go. Welcome to XAMPP. If I show you here, you can see XAMPP setup. Now we'll go for the next, then next, then next, next, and now it will actually start installing. All right guys, here you can see done. Now we are going to click here finish, and there will be XAMPP control panel. Okay, and here we go. I have this, you can see. Now if you want to check here servers, you can go for this section, and then you can see that MySQL database we have, then Apache. So we are going to now stop it. So if you want to stop all the option here at a time, so you can actually click here stop all, then stop. You can see now if you want to remove it permanently, you can press command plus Q. Okay, that's it. So guys, I have shown you how you can actually install XAMPP in macOS. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.